Wearing a suit, the thing about wearing a suit is there is nothing distracting about what you're wearing. Do you know what I mean? It's like, you don't have to decide anymore. Do you know what I mean? It's just like a non-distracting, smart thing you've got dressed up to come on stage. So I used to wear like all of my stand-up, I used to wear, do you know, I used to wear blazers.
Yeah, blazers. Did you have ripped jeans as well?
No, I did not have ripped jeans. I didn't enjoy the way that you enjoyed asking that question because you thought I did.
I swear I've got a memory of you in a blazer, ripped jeans, and like Chelsea boots.
There's another one of your imagined memories of me.
You know those boots that everyone had from All Saints?
I remember you used to gig in like a full gimp suit, right? And you just had the ball gag like propped up on your forehead.
Did you quickly though? Did you ever do that fashion thing? Remember everyone had those All Saints boots?
No,
I could never get away with wearing them.
I went for a phase of like just always wearing Converse.
Yeah.